What's up, brothers? In today's video we're gonna be talking about why your push-ups suck and how to fix them. So push-ups, the most basic exercise on the planet, and still 99% of people are doing them wrong. I'm not trying to be a hater, but if your push-ups look like you're having a seizure on the floor, we need to talk. First of all, your hips shouldn't be sagging like a melted candle, and you're not doing half reps where you just bob your head up and down like a pigeon. We're building a body here, not auditioning for a TikTok dance. So here's why your push-ups suck. You're not thinking about full body tension. A proper push-up isn't just a chest exercise, it's a full body movement. You should be tight from your toes all the way up to your forehead. Glutes squeezed, core braced, elbows tucked at about 45 degrees. Imagine you're a steel beam, not a wet spaghetti noodle. And don't even get me started on the range of motion. If your chest isn't touching the ground, you're lying to yourself. Half reps equal half results. Some of you can say, but it's harder that way. Exactly. Hard builds muscle, hard builds strength. Hard is why you'll be walking around looking carved out of stone while other guys are still blaming their bad genetics. Now, here's how to actually fix your push-ups. Step number 1, slow it down. No more bouncing, no more racing. Control your descent for 2 to 3 seconds. Pause at the bottom and drive up hard. Step number 2, practice perfect form with incline push-ups if you have to. Use a sturdy table, a bench or a chair, wall, I don't care really. Just master perfect form at an easier angle first, then gradually lower it over time. Step number 3, stop counting reps. Just focus on quality, not quantity. 20 sloppy reps aren't worth 5 clean ones, so the guy who can do 10 perfect push-ups will always look and perform better than the guy cheating through 50 push-ups. And if you really want to level up, you need to start adding resistance. For example, you can wear a backpack with books, you can throw on a weight vest. Real strength comes when you add load to perfect technique. I've been training at home for over a decade, and I can tell you a clean, heavy, controlled push-ups will destroy your chest, shoulders and triceps better than most fancy machines at the gym. So next time you drop down for push-ups, you need to remember you're not just knocking out reps, you're crafting a masterpiece. Or you're flopping around like a fish. Your call.